A lot of people don't think about filing bankruptcy because they're afraid they're going to lose their possessions if they do. The fact of the matter is that it's very rare that someone loses any property in a Chapter 7. Nationally, I think only about 1 in 20 people actually loses property in a Chapter 7. In practice, I file probably about 100 to 120 Chapter 7 cases a year, and out of all those cases that are filed, maybe 2 or 3 of my clients will have to give up property. And I've prepared them for that beforehand because I can tell them if there are things that we can't protect. You see, when you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case, you get what are called exemptions to protect a certain amount of your property. And typically the exemptions that you get in Virginia cover anything that the trustee might be interested in. So for instance, you get a $5,000 household goods exemption, a $6,000 exemption for equity in a car, a $1,000 exemption for clothing. You get exemptions for tax refunds, large parts of tax refunds, as well as pay that you have received through your job. And of course, since this is Virginia, there are exemptions for Bibles and guns. You also get a wild card exemption for $5,000 that covers anything that wouldn't appear in a different category. Now, when we talk about, say, $5,000 in household goods, we're talking about the yard sale value of your property. So if you bought a dining room set for $3,000 and living room furniture for $4,000, again, that's not the value of the property. It's what it's worth when you put it on your front lawn. So that $3,000 dining room set you got 10 years ago might be worth $200 or $300 now. So like I said, it's very rare that a trustee is interested in any of your property, and certainly not your household goods, such as your furniture or electronics. Typically, when a trustee is looking at property to take, they're looking at houses with a lot of equity in them, businesses, stocks, bonds, things like that. And frankly, most people that are filing Chapter 7 don't have those sorts of things. If you have questions about your particular case, and if you think you might be one out of those 20 people that is going to lose property in a bankruptcy, rather than live in fear that you're going to lose your things, give me a call or shoot me an email and get an answer about it one way or the other. That way you'll know whether bankruptcy is really an option for you.